In this question, we have the incomplete box plot. Box plot is what we also call Whisker's plot. Box plot is called Whisker's plot. Whisker plot. Like so. This box is actually not complete yet, but we use it. It's a kind of graphical representation of data distribution that uses a box, and lines. That's what we call whiskers, to show the median, quartiles, and potential outliers. It's a quick way to summarize and compare data distributions. So in this case, most of the time, all the statistics that we can use the OGIF, that's cumulative frequency graph, to find, we can also find them on Whisker's plots, that is a box plot. And they said the incomplete box plot and table shows the information about some marks. So this box plots and this graph and this table, the two of them together will serve the purpose of what we want to find. Here, we are given that the lowest mark is 5. We are asked to fill this place, which is lower quartile. Median is given to be 30, upper quartile 35, highest mark, that's maximum, 55. And we have to use the information in the table to complete the box. We also use the information in the box plots to complete the table as well. So we use them to mutually complete each other. So if you look at the box, in the box we can see this place is where we have the lowest mark, and that is 5. That is the minimum, lowest mark. This one is Q1. That is the lower quartile. The upper quartile is Q3. And the value of the upper quartile from the graph, if you look at it, is exactly midway between 30 and 40. That means the upper quartile is 35. That's 35. Now, how do we get the median? The median is not always maybe exactly halfway between Q1 and Q3, depending on the skewness of the data. And we check from the table, according to what we are given in the table, we have that for the table, the median is 30. So if the median is 30, we come back to the graph, we'll plot this place, we'll draw this line here. That's for median, and median is Q2. Q2 is 30. What else are we to find? Okay, lower quartile, according to what we have there, lower quartile is 10. Q1 is 10. So we can just come to the graph or the table to put 10 here. Use them to fill each other, 10. If you look at the highest mark from the table is 55, you go to the graph, you check 55 as the highest mark. Where is 55? 55 is located here. So you trace the tail like this. This is 55, and that's the maximum. Maximum, that's 55. It's for the highest mark, that's the maximum. Then, is there anything we have not found? So if they ask us to find interquartile range, the interquartile range is simply Q3 minus Q1, which will be 35 minus 10, that is 25. So if we are asked to find the range of score, since maximum is 55 and the minimum is 5, so it will be 55 minus 5. So we use to find range. Our median is, and sometimes if the data is normally distributed, it could be the halfway between Q3 and Q1, exactly halfway. So we have actually fed everything in both the table and, the box. So, and they ask us to complete the box. That's what we have. We can see that on the upper part is longer, on this place is shorter. So, and that indicates the skewness of the data.